and welcome to the Black Cat Bushcraft channel. Today I want to practice making fire with one hand using a ferro rod in the back of my knife. I have a technique in mind, stick with me, let's give it a try. Alright, let's give this a shot. I've got my tulip poplar bark, got my PKS Kephart knife here. I'm going to prop that right on my boot, use my other foot to press down on the handle, and now using one hand only, pull up on the ferro rod. There we go. One-handed ferro rod technique. One of many possibilities. Alright, so you can see that technique works pretty good. This is just one of many ways that you might achieve this. This was something I was thinking about this afternoon and just thought I'd play around with it, test it out. You know, when you're in a woodland environment, it's always possible that you injure one hand or the other, and it could become a very important skill to be able to start a fire one-handed with your ferro rod. Definitely something worth studying and practicing, and a skill worthwhile to hone. Thank you for your time and interest. I look forward to talking to you with another video very soon. Until then, take care and God bless.